Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade Euro versus US dollar and make good profit. Here I am applying the trade with proper risk management. I have calculated this lot size using the position size calculator. I have provided the link of this calculator in the description box. I use this calculator in all my trades. This helps me a lot in risk management. See you guys later. Guys, right now we are incurring a loss of a few dollars. I have $2,344 in my account, which I am going to grow in a very good way. Let's see what result the market gives us. Here we will follow the complete trading process, which I will tell and explain to you step by step in the video. Market was moving in downtrend some time back, but before downtrend market was sideways. But now we have got the opportunity of buying here. Here first of all I will create a trend channel. On this trend line the market was moving downwards, creating lower highs. We will connect all these points properly with the trend line because all future analysis will be based on this trend line. We take another trend line which we will connect with same angle at lower low points. This trend line is acting as support for us. Whenever the market has come near this trend line, it has always reversed upwards. The market has respected this trend channel very well, which you can see in the downtrend channel. At this place the market has given a trendline breakout, which is a high quality breakout. We have placed this trade due to this breakout. As we do further analysis you will get more buying signals. Here I will create a strong reversal level. For this I am using rectangle tool. The market has created multiple reversal points at this level, due to which the market has respected this level. Here you can clearly see that this is a strong level of the market. The market has been following this level for a long time. The market has broken the strong level upwards along with the trendline breakout and has now come down again to take resistance. There is a high chance of the market going up. Our analysis work is complete now. I will place stop loss and profit target. My stop loss will be 12 pip below the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel should the market move above this strong level, because here resistance points were created first and now the market is creating support points. This pattern is a strong uptrend pattern, and the profit target will be 24 pip above where the market will make a new higher high for the new uptrend. The chances of the market reaching this level are very high. Guys, our loss has increased more than before. Currently we are facing a loss of more than $200. But as long as the stop loss or profit target is not hit, we should not be bothered by the profit loss. Guys, now we have to watch the market with patience. Many upside moves can happen here, but we have to keep our psychology strong and focus only on the trading process. Strategy plays only 10% role in the market. Rest of the work is done by psychology and risk management. Until you know the strong trend of the market, you cannot take the right trade. If you like the video, then do like it. You will get it after some time.
I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, 'cause I am not
Let's go.
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into.
Guys, killed the market. Our analysis was absolutely correct, due to which we caught a very good move. We had predicted in the right direction. Here we had confidence in our strategy because we have taken this type of trade many times before, for which I have prepared a complete playlist in the name of Breakout Strategy. The market is currently moving upwards very fast here. Buyers is quite dominant. Now I will create another strong reversal level here, which will tell us where the market takes support and resistance. At this level the market has created strong support resistance points in the uptrend channel, which you can easily see. This is the current strong reversal level of the market where support or resistance points can be created at this level in the future. Because the market is following this level well. Now the market has broken this level towards the upper side. The market can go much higher by taking support at this level. Because the buyers have become very active here, which increases the possibility of going up. Now we close the trade. Guys, right now our profit is around $5,400. We had $2,344 in this account, which has now grown to $8,056. We were able to do this here because our strategy was right. I have generated very good profits with this strategy. If you have learned something from this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Something.
Peace.